interesting. It's kind of more like a story time and everything. I was supposed to be doing a recording and all, but when I opened the box, I was like totally confused because I thought I thought it was a package that I was like waiting for, but it actually wasn't. So I was just like so embarrassed and mortified and whatever, but this is like a random story time I am going to do because like it just totally makes sense. But I'm not going to say the brand what I was supposed to review and go over because I'm still waiting for that package and whatever. But yeah, so it's basically just like what it says. So I don't know what in the world was going on with Mini Cooper. Mini Cooper Concord. I don't go to Mini Cooper Marin because Mini Cooper Marin is absolutely awful. Do not go if you are into if you're not into good customer service, you just don't go to that location. It is absolutely horrendous. I wrote Yelp review about them, and don't get me started on that nonsense. But anyways, I was not expecting like the horrendous service from the Concord location. I was just like so confused as to why like everything was happening the way how it was. So like one little thing, just an inquiry turned into like a huge thing, and I just don't understand like how it went 0 to 60. Like, I kept on being referred to the BMW Concord location, and I live in Marin. I live in Marin County and everything, even though the mini Marin is so close. My simple inquiry about ordering a new car just turned into something really odd. Like, it was just so weird. I forget the guy who I was talking. I think his name was like Mr. Heller or something like that from BMW Concord. So he literally legit went all the way over to the Mini Concord location. He like walked over to that location just to give them a hand like written message like saying, oh, you need to call him back because I don't like, and I even said to the manager, I don't even remember the woman's name in terms of the Mini Cooper Concord location or whatever, but like she was just like, she was hella chill, but I told her that I felt like their receptionists were literally legit trying to jeopardize the salesman's like possible profit, because I was just like, how are you getting it confused when I say literally transfer me to Mini and you transfer me to BMW like a zillion times? I just don't understand. I don't want no fucking BMW. I'm not interested in a BMW. So, yeah. But anyways, they like, I did not expect them to send me anything, but they did. Like I said, I was supposed to be reviewing something, but yeah, it actually, I thought the stuff was, Jesus, this box is so freaking huge. So, I was not expecting them to send me all of this. Like, look how big this box is. I literally thought this was supposed to be skincare, but it wasn't the minute I was like in the middle of recording and whatever, and I was just like, oh, okay, totally confused. So yeah, let's get all that stuff out of the way. Okay, so they, like, the manager, I'm so sorry, I'm forgetting your name and whatever, but it was really random. I even said to her, you don't have to send me anything. And I said, I'm not expecting anything in return. I am just expecting better service next time, because like, I'm not going to go all the way over to Cupertino to the Mini location over there. I might as well just not invest into a Mini at all if I was to do that. But so yeah, let's just see what they sent me, because it's like so random. When I opened it, I didn't notice like if there was like a little package or like a letter or whatever. I didn't notice anything like that. So yeah, you guys are totally seeing everything that as I'm going through it. So this is a notepad. It is like, whatever your name is, I'm so sorry. Like, I was not expecting you to really send me anything, like, to be really quite honest. So, this is all the stuff or whatever. So I'm gonna put this box down because this box is like literally on the way. Okay. So notepad and everything, like I said, I'm assuming it's a journal or whatever. I am really surprised, to be really quite honest. So, like, they said that they wanted to send me some swag as an apology, and I was like, you don't have to send me anything, but I guess so, because I'm looking at the stuff, and I'm glancing at it, and a lot of it is stuff that was looking into before, like, I even thought of buying it. Okay, so, obviously this is like, oh my god, is this a mini pen rollerball? Oh my god, I thought it was like a vape pen. I was like, oh my god, I don't want a vape pen. But yeah, this is a mini pen roller ball. Okay, let's see. Doesn't it look like a legit vape pen with like the shaping and everything? It looks like you can just do this or whatever. But yeah, so this is actually kind of cool. I have never seen any of their pens or anything like that before. I think that's really awesome that they sent me that. So, yeah. What else? Let's see what this is. So, this is heavy. I have no idea what it is. Mini Bluetooth speaker, black/white. Oh my god. I didn't even know that they had speakers. Huh. I never knew that Mini made little speakers. I mean, like, I don't really need one because I have my Bose surround sound speakers, but that's... Jesus! Oh my god, like, my hand just went like this, and like the freaking scissors like kind of spun, and I was like, oh my god, it was gonna hit me in the face. But yeah, okay, so the little buttons, it says play, Bluetooth, skip, pause, volume. Wow, that is really surprising. Like, they did not have to send me any of this at all. Oh good. It comes with a charger. That's what's up. The user manual. That's cool. Like I said, I was not expecting them to send me anything. I don't expect anyone to send me anything. Okay, so I don't know what this is, but they know that I'm really obsessed with John Cooper Works because that's what I was trying to inquire about. I have no idea what the heck this is. So this is a John Cooper Works something, so let's open it. Awesome. Okay, I should have like expected it because I literally was not like thinking. I have no idea what I was expecting from them. So okay, so I got a John Cooper Works little canteen kind of bottle thing going on. I'm assuming that this is silicone or something. That's so nice of them. Like, so random. I get like. The manager of that department, she said that she wanted to make up for the awful service because, like, I don't know, because when I went there last time, the service was flawless, so I just did not understand what the heck happened. Just saying. Okay, so, what is this? This is a John Cooper Works, I'm assuming toiletry bag, but they're calling it a pouch. The John Cooper Works toiletry bag, I think it was like about $40 last time I looked at it. I don't know. Like, I think this is like maybe for toothbrush on the top. I never bought any of their travel stuff before. Yeah, I would definitely consider this kind of like a DOP kit or something. Yeah, you can literally use this just for small things like your cell phone, toiletries, or something. It's really nice. It's really random. I mean, like, I love the fact that it has a JCW logo on here, and also the JCW logo right here as well. And then, lastly, I am like so shocked. They did not have to send me this. This is the last thing that's inside of here. They sent me the freaking John Cooper Works duffel bag, which is also a backpack. I am like literally surprised. I was not expecting, like I said, I was not expecting anything. Oh my god, okay, so leather has, and I believe that this is like Napa leather right here. I don't remember when I was looking at it last online. I think it was like, I think this thing is like $200 or something like that or whatever. So they sent me almost $300 or more of product for free, which they did not have to, which I just, that is so generous of them. Like, they did not have to do that, like, at all. And by the way, one of the things I was told when I was inquiring about getting, about ordering a JCW edition Clubman, they said that they are no longer taking orders right now. So basically, I was just like, okay, so they're not accepting orders for what I think they said for like another 2-3 months or more or something. So I have no idea, because I think that they're limiting how many are they're being made or something. So if I missed out, I missed out. So, I mean, like, if that's the case, like, that's really unfortunate. But yeah, okay, so like backpack status right here. I love the handle as well. Oh my god, this is like so amazing. This is so awesome. Like I said, they did not have to send me anything, but this is a very nice gesture for what happened, because it was just kind of ridiculous, like going back and forth for 20 minutes and whatever, and then like an hour later another phone call, another hour later another phone call. It was just like weird. But yeah, so I just wanted to say thank you to Mini Cooper USA, Mini Cooper Germany, because Mini is now is owned by BMW. So so yeah, but yeah, you guys did not have to send me any of this. I think that's really awesome that you guys did. But yeah, like, I am truly grateful. I was not expecting any of this stuff. So yeah, I don't know. I mean, like, it just won me over even more to want to buy another car, because like, this is a really good gesture. This is really nice of them. They did not have to do that at all. But yeah, with that being said, you guys, thank you so much for checking out this video. And yeah, and I'll see you guys on the next one. And it will be about skincare next time. I don't like doing these drama videos, because like, yeah, I mean, like, I feel like this is like the only way for me to vent everyone else to know around the world, like, about something. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.